An independent study has found that the new railway Kenya is building to Uganda is causing widespread environmental damage. The report blames a lack of funding, technical capacity, and political interference for the problems. Prior to the start of construction, the National Environmental Management Authority set out guidelines to be followed. The environmental impact standards were said to be up to international standards. By not following them, there has been soil, water, and air contamination. There has also been flooding, soil erosion, destruction of farmland, and health effects on local populations. The train line is called the Standard Gauge Railway. It runs from Mombasa to Malaba on the Uganda border. It crosses through the Tsavo National Park, home to 40% of Kenya's elephant population. The SGR also passes through the Nairobi National Park. It is the largest infrastructure project in the country's history, costing $3.8 billion, with 90% of the funding coming from China. Construction started in 2014, and 2 of 3 phases have already been completed, totaling 610 kilometers. The final stretch goes from Narok, passing Kisumu on Lake Victoria, to Uganda. The investigation, published online by The Conversation, consulted with many reputable organizations, such as the Kenya Wildlife Service. It doesn't just offer observations on the bad effects of the railway construction, it offers some solutions as well. The study suggests underpasses must be at the right density and of the right size. So far, there are few underpasses, and they are located in areas not used regularly by wildlife. Streams and other water sources can be redirected to avoid flooding. And the authors suggest that another environmental impact study is needed before it's too late. This could help make the most out of the new infrastructure, but lessen the effect on ecosystems. Kenya will develop, but its wildlife tourism and agriculture have always been important aspects of its development. Transportation should help these industries too, not destroy them. ADN TV will continue to report on development issues in the Horn of Africa.